You'll need a sterilized glass jar, your herbs, and your choice of vinegar. After combining these, let the mixture sit for a few weeks before straining and using. Lastly, organic herb oil is fantastic for dressings or even for moisturizing your skin. But remember, it must be refrigerated and used within 2 weeks if made with fresh herbs, or 4 weeks with dried herbs. Organic garden fertilizers are crucial for enriching your soil organically. It's recommended to fertilize at least twice a year to ensure your garden thrives. Unlike synthetic options, organic fertilizers don't contain harmful chemicals. They can be animal-based, like manure from various animals, which should be decomposed to eliminate harmful pathogens before use. Plant-based options include ingredients like seaweed and worm castings, which are rich in essential nutrients and micronutrients that promote maximum growth. You can also create your own worm casing fertilizer or use green manure, a cover crop that enriches the soil as it decomposes. These methods not only enrich your soil, but also allow you to maintain a healthy, flourishing organic garden. Organic gardening compost is a fantastic way to provide natural nutrition to your plants. Compost improves moisture retention, soil structure, and aeration. The great news is, it's almost free and requires minimal effort. Use organic materials like food scraps, leaves, and manure, which provide nitrogen, while dried straw adds carbon, essential for plant growth. Remember to turn your compost pile every other week to accelerate decomposition. A properly maintained compost should not smell bad. If it does, aerate it to correct the issue. By using organic compost, you're not only feeding your garden, but also practicing sustainable, cost-effective gardening. Why use organic pest control? The answer lies in the harmful effects of conventional pesticides. These chemicals don't just target harmful insects, they pose a threat to all living beings, including humans and pets, and can lead to serious health issues like cancer and birth defects. Moreover, they contaminate our water supplies, affecting the entire food chain. Understanding these risks, would you want to expose your garden and ultimately your body to such toxins? Opting for organic pest control is a safer, healthier choice for both you and the environment.